From export to import and even cross-strait, performing a booking on ECU360 is faster and easier than ever. Save time by using our smart quick load feature to create your booking from an existing template, recently performed quote or booking, or a saved draft. If starting fresh, then general details are intuitively prefilled with the customer's default information such as your company, your contract and freight terms. Client customization remains intact, where you can select a unique traffic where applicable by adjusting the contract selection. Simply choose the freight and encode terms for your booking and provide a cargo-ready date or reference notes. Select your product and enter your desired origin and destination location details. You can choose a port CFS location or choose from our global door locations basis port name, city name or zip code. Besides, we also offer pickup and delivery options for door-to-door locations. When selecting a door location, here's where our pickup and delivery templates truly shine. Enter the desired name of this template. Click on Save and voila, your template is ready. Now choose your preferred carrier. In the cargo details, we require number of containers, container type, commodity group and goods description. You can also choose to include additional information in package details such as marks and numbers, HS codes, and hazardous information when applicable. You can select from a range of additional services as well as provide additional remarks for the EQ booking desk. Then simply enter your consignment details such as shipper, consignee and notify party. Here is where our parties details templates truly shine. You have the option to select one from your existing address book or simply add the new company details of your shipper, consignee or notify party and click on the plus icon to save. An option to attach documents to your booking is available. Simply drag and drop any relevant documents anywhere on screen or click on Browse. Finally, you can save the booking as a template by giving it a template name or save a draft booking. The next time you want to create a similar booking, all your details are instantly available in this pre-prepared template, which will auto-populate fields such as shipper and consignee data, reducing the mundane task of repeatedly entering the same data. Our smart template feature enables you to make bookings in just 30 seconds. Now simply click on Confirm Booking and review the booking summary. ECU360 instantly generates a booking reference number for all your export bookings or a routing order number for import shipments for your records. Quickly cycle through key tabs related to this specific booking. Review the general information or add additional services related to your shipment. Review your attachments if any were uploaded or download documents and photos for your cargo. You can add a new attachment by dropping a file anywhere on screen or clicking on Browse. If you need to make changes to your booking, simply click on Edit Booking, add additional information, attach documents and simply click on the button Submit the changes. From here you conveniently can print or email a copy of the summary, cargo label, or booking confirmation to yourself or a colleague. Or conveniently share this booking with a colleague by clicking on Share and copying the URL or by providing an email ID. Option to cancel your booking with status in progress is available. After submitting a booking, ECU360 will automatically send out a copy of the booking summary with a booking reference number to your registered email address. You now have the option to review and edit your booking from the feature My Shipments, where you can also proceed with submitting shipping instructions for your booking. With ECU360, submitting a booking takes less time than it took you to watch this video.